Hi guys, I want to do a quick walkthrough of how you can use genloop on your own data. So genloop connects to your entire data estate and gets you free dashboards directly on the top of warehouses or to your databases and verified answers for your teams, human or AI, wherever they are. You can use it inside Slack, as MCPs in your favorite AI tools, as APIs, this entire UI of the platform, or embedded as an iframe. And in few simple steps, you have the most accurate data intelligence stack ready for you. So to get started, first of all, you can just click on Get Started for free. You come to the sign up page. Already have my account, so let me start and resume from there. Okay, so after signing up, you come to your workspace. Here I'm creating a workspace called Ayush Demo. Jenloop starts setting up your system and will come to a screen where you can enter your data information. So let's say I want to connect to a MySQL data warehouse. Like you can connect to any one of them, your BigQuery, Snowflake, Databricks, Postgres, MySQLs, and all of them with the unstructured context, the semi-structured context that comes from them. And in case you're a business user who's not really sure like what kind of databases you have, you can actually invite your colleague to add that information and they'll set it up for you. Let's say in my case, I want to add MySQL information. So I'll connect and save. So first of all, I'm choosing the database. I've entered the database credentials, and genloop will scan through this database, find the tables and the columns that could be presented to you. So in this case, these are the tables and columns that have come. Let's say I do the first two things. I can hide the columns that are sensitive. I can add any business documents that are required for my onboarding. But let's say in this case, there are two tables, 31 columns, and I start generating the memory. A living context graph becomes the bedrock of the JLoop system. This is something that continues to understand about your business and makes that data analysis accurate. So in this case, we've done a lot of innovation to bring the fastest time to value for building this context graph. So it is writing the data descriptions and definitions. It's filling the data cataloging wherever it has not been able to find the right information. It is linking all these different tables, columns, concepts, creating graphs on how different concepts inside this data estate are interrelated together and starting to prepare the data context of this context graph. There are others as well. There's process context, there's user context, and there's decision context. And these are the things that continuously are learned with every interaction. So relationships are done, the business context is done, and finally you have the system is ready. You can actually go and review the context hub. There are things like the table datas. So you can actually find that the collections, the demographics, the different column information, etc. are ready. And apart from that, the playbooks, the KPI, and the user preferences are also ready. Yeah, so now you can start chatting. So it already populates some suggested questions. Maybe I want to do a comparison question on this. So the GenLoop system, first of all, there's a system called Neuron that finds the most relevant context given the user's question and make sure that the most precise and most relevant context is given to the skills layer where deterministic reasoning is performed. So it is doing that. It is making sure that it has the execution plan ready. It's generating the SQL query with a deterministic reason that is very consistent and gives the answer. So now, when it has the answer, you can actually visualize, you can download these things. So it can also be as data retrieval things. It gives you the plan, how it formed, the SQL query, how it got it. You can make any changes. You can do follow-ups. You can request validation from a data expert. But what I'm most interested to show you is how you can directly create dashboards using this and, get started. For example, here I want to say, custom reach dashboard. This is one of the questions that I have. I want to create a new lab, customer demography. I create an ad. So this question becomes directly a part of this Liveboard. And when I go to this dashboard, I didn't require anyone else to have to create this semantic layer for me. I asked the question, prepared this dashboard. This dashboard is very fundamentally embedded in SQL, fetching directly from the warehouse. So what I essentially get is free dashboards forever created directly by me. I can ask for anomalies here, like for example, why are the other genders aged higher? And it will go and start investigating that. Or let's say I want to create presentations on top of it. I want to schedule reports. Done. I want to collaborate with people. I can actually share it, publish to team, and then collaborate, and essentially get all the features that the legacy BI tools have been offering me for a seat-based pricing, essentially for free, and only pay for the investigations that I do. So yeah, that is the few basic steps on how you can get started in minutes. I'd love for you to try it out and looking forward to your feedbacks.